How to fix the Gmail app not working on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and get your emails sending and receiving properly again. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick panel and make sure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, close Gmail by swiping it away from your recent apps and reopen it to see if that helps. From there, long press the Gmail icon and tap App Info. Right here, tap on Storage, and then tap Clear Cache. Next up, go back to App Info and tap Force Stop, then tap OK to confirm. Moving on, reopen Gmail and check if emails are sending and receiving now. From here, if the issue is still there, go back to App Info, tap on Storage, and this time tap Clear Data. Tap OK to confirm, keeping in mind you'll need to sign back into your account. After that, open the Play Store, search for Gmail, and install any available update. Following this, if Gmail is still not working, long press the icon and tap Uninstall. Then head to the Play Store and reinstall it fresh. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Once your device boots back up, sign back into Gmail and check if everything is working properly. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.